Okay, welcome back with another one. Sorry. We're gonna be playing Collect the Keycap. Yeah, don't ask what that name is. I don't know. I just found it. And so this is Collect the Keycap. You might wonder, what game is that on? Okay, it's on Roblox. So yeah, we're gonna be playing Collect the Keycap today, right now. So stay tuned and try it yourself. So yeah, so it says trade keycap. Playing collect the key. Don't mind this music. Let me turn it off. There. So let's do the montage. Okay, we're back. What's this? Bah. Oh, glowing key, not that. In my base. Right there, alright. Well, let's do another montage. Alright, tell you, let me just collect newspaper. How many news do I need? Frickin' 50! Flaming what? Not that bad. Classic flaming. Glowing burger. Paper. Burger, gold burger, classic flaming, burger, paper. Wait, but that's not my rarest, right? Let me see. Oh, frick. Wait, this is my best. No. Okay, let's see if we can escape the map. Wait, is this water deadly? No, it isn't. Hold up. Done. Hold up. Let's see. Could I not reach? Am I that small? Bro. What am I supposed to do? Hold up. If I need to be a little bit taller. Alright, let's go change my avatar to taller. Now I'm taller. So it was over here. Yo, yeah, wait, can I get on that tree? Maybe I can. No! But if I climb on this tree, maybe I will. That wasn't it. One stud. Wait, I might be able to get on the tree. I got on the tree. I actually got it. So yeah. Play, collect the keycap, and join the noob empire. Now, join it. Join me. Not join me. Subscribe, please. You don't have to. Do it if you want. Do whatever you want. Look at my yellow hair. Oh yeah, new hat. It's not expensive, even though it's designed like one of those expensive hats, but it isn't. So yeah, join the new vampire.